So this white noise machine is from AccuMed, called The Sound of Peace. I've already opened it and tried it. It says for enjoy quality sleep, relax your mind, concentrate in peace, soothe your children, converse in private. I had one for my baby when she was younger, but it wasn't a good one like this. It was just a little portable one, battery operated, that I put in her crib with her when she was going to sleep. So I am so excited to try out this one by AccuMed. I know I'm gonna use it for myself as well to help me fall asleep, and also to especially when I'm studying, I get distracted real easily, and I know I'm gonna use it when I'm meditating and relaxing. So I'm gonna plug it in and show you the different settings. Oh, awesome! Is that it comes with a light, and once you get it, you power it on, and you tap that button right there for the sound. That's the loudest you'll get it, and for a lower sound, you tap that. But check this out: when you turn it, you get different sound waves. That is so relaxing. So you can turn it to adjust to whatever sound wave preference you like. I think that's the lowest, and then that's the highest. But listen, when you turn it, the sound wave changes. Sound like the wind, sometimes sound like ocean. How awesome is that? And that's the louder, and that's the loudest it goes. And then I'll turn it again. Oh, that's so relaxing. Do you hear that? Yes. So yeah, this white noise machine is by AccuMed. I am so excited to be giving it a try, and I can't wait to try it out while sleeping. I just plugged it in earlier, and just the sound of it was so relaxing.